Welcome to the Electrify Expo. We're here with Hankook. They have a whole activation complete with their entire family of iON tires, including a new one they just released. Let's go check it out. Hankook has a pretty big activation at the expo here. I mean, you guys got sims, you have full staff, you have a line of people, you're handing things out, and you have all the tires that you guys have on display. Why is it important for you to have an activation this big at an expo?
Well, it's important because we're the only tire manufacturer right now that has a full lineup of EV-specific tires. And as EVs get more and more popular, more and more people are realizing that conventional tires just aren't cutting it. So we have to get the brand out there.
You mentioned you guys have a full lineup of tires. There's a new one that just came out?
Absolutely, you want to go check it out?
Yes, please. This is the first ever EV-specific highway terrain tire. Why is it important to a light truck owner to have a tire like this?
Well, because we've now taken the technology that we've developed for the rest of our iON range and applied it to a high mileage option for EV truck owners.
That is it for the Electrify Expo with Hankook. Next time you see one of their new tires like that iON:The, go check it out.